If your bedroom life feels a bit lackluster, you're in for a treat. We've got nature's best-kept secrets for you. Let's dive into some natural alternatives to Viagra that could spice things up. First up, L-arginine. This amino acid helps improve blood flow and is found in red meat, poultry, and fish. Studies say it can boost erectile function, especially in mild cases. Next, we have ginseng, the herbal Viagra. Used in traditional Chinese medicine, it's known to enhance sexual performance by upping nitric oxide production. Maca root from Peru is another gem. Packed with nutrients, it's linked to better libido and balanced hormones. Yohimbine from the African yohimbe tree increases blood flow, but watch out for side effects like anxiety and increased heart rate. Don't forget Tribulus terrestris. It boosts testosterone and may improve sexual function, but more research is needed. Lastly, a healthy diet and lifestyle are game changers. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, exercise, and stress management. Nature offers plenty of options, but always check with a healthcare provider first. Stay healthy and keep exploring.